Hello and welcome to Lesson 7 of the Creative Online School's Mastering Adobe Lightroom course. In the last tutorial, I taught you how to correct color and profile distortion using Lightroom. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to remove objects from your photos using the Spot Healer tool. This tutorial is brought to you by Creative Online School. So, you've taken a photo and used Lightroom to edit its color and profile settings. Your image is almost perfect, but there is still one little pesky object that takes away from the rest of the image. The spot removal tool is a very effective way to get rid of unwanted objects in your photos. You can really get rid of anything, whether it's a pimple on someone's face, or a distracting object such as a person in a landscape shot, or the white dog lurking behind the park bench in this photo. To get to the spot removal tool, you can either click it in your Develop module, or you can press the Q key. Once you're there, it should look something like this. You have the choice of using the Clone or the Heal tool. Both of these tools are brushes. You just need to draw over the areas that you want to remove. In this case, I'm going to scribble over the white dog behind the bench. I'm going to start by zooming in so that I can get a more detailed view. Scribble over the problem area of your photo to create your selected area. Once you've done that, Lightroom will clone the shape of your selected area. This new shape is your sample area, or the area from which Lightroom will extract the appropriate information to hide or cover up your selected area. I used the Clone tool, so Lightroom extracted information about the sample area's colors and textures to match with my selected area. When I use the Heal tool, Lightroom duplicates the sample area and essentially pastes it onto the selected area. You can also move the sample area around if need be. The Spot Healer is a very useful tool, and it is generally very effective. However, it's not quite perfect, so painting over an object in one stroke won't always get you the results you're looking for. Thankfully, Lightroom allows us to change the size, feather, and opacity of our brush. The size slider is the first slider in the Spot Healer pane. Move it to the right to make your brush larger, and move it to the left to decrease its size. You can also scroll up and down with your mouse to make your brush larger or smaller respectively. The feather slider is the next one down. If you want to make the edge of your selected area more graduated and less stark, increase your feather size by moving the slider to the right. If you want the edge to stay stark, keep your slider tab to the left-hand side. If you want to just obscure an image and you don't want to completely remove it, you can increase the transparency of your brush by moving the opacity slider to the left-hand side. I find that I achieve the most accuracy with this tool when I paint small areas at a time. Congratulations! You should now be able to use Lightroom's Spot Healer tool to remove unwanted objects from your photos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and we will get back to you as soon as possible. In the next tutorial, I will teach you how to use the graduated filter to correct and enhance your images. This course is brought to you by Creative Online School.